Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Kotak Securities Weekly Fundamental Podcast. I am Rini Mehta. Last week Nifty and Sensex were largely flat. Till Thursday, markets were cautious ahead of the release of US CPI print, which may determine the pace of future rate hikes in the US. However, markets gained in the last day of the week. So the CPI inflation data in the US, which I talked about, jumped by 8.2% in September versus a year earlier. Hotter than expected, though a slight decline from August. Consumers have seen prices for food and energy and even housing rise sharply over that time. Core inflation, which strips out food and energy costs, jumped to its highest level since 1982. So this suggests inflation is broad-based. And back home, if we see, September CPI inflation for India rose 7.41%, which was 7% in August, led by rising food prices, while August index of industrial production, that is IIP, contracted by 0.8%. If we look at foreign investors' participation, FIIs were net sellers month till date to the tune of Rs 9,978 crores. We expect FPI flows to remain volatile in the coming months due to ongoing geopolitical risks, elevated inflation, expectation of rising treasury yields, among other reasons. As per Bloomberg, FPI flows in the month till date of October was positive for Indonesia and South Korea. On the other hand, India, Philippines, Taiwan and Thailand witnessed outflows. Before we move on to some result updates and stock picks for the week, you know that Diwali is just around the corner. And if you are looking for stock ideas and overall outlook on the new Samvat year of 2079, please join our Diwali special webinar today at 4 p.m. live with our research head himself, Shrikant Chauhan and Ajay Bagga. You can set reminders on YouTube, link mentioned in the description below. So guys, don't miss out this chance. Now coming back to the stock picks and result update, which is on Hcl Tech. Hcl Technologies impressed with a strong 5.3% quarter-on-quarter constant currency growth in services, a sharp 100 basis points quarter-on-quarter increase in EBIT margin, a mega deal announcement and strong total contract value. It also raised FY23 revenue guidance and is on the track to lead peers in growth in services. And you know, Hcl Technologies' vastly improved digital competencies remain underappreciated. So we raised FY23 to 25 constant currency revenue estimates by 30 to 80 basis points, EPS by 2 to 3%, and sum of the parts base fair value to 1,250 rupees. And we maintain buy rating on the stock. So moving on to our pick of the week. Our pick of the week is United Spirits. Diageo and Pernod Ricard's phased removal of mono cartons across markets. Brands including premium scotch and SKUs should help reduce the carbon footprint and drive significant cost savings. So we estimate potential cost savings of around Rs 1.5 billion. And the divestment or franchising of select popular brands set the stage for the company to accelerate its premiumization journey. So we maintain ad rating on the stock with an unchanged fair value of Rs 890. So guys, that's all for today. See you again next week. Thank you. Signing off.